Hello, viewers. I'm Stereo 11. What I'm going to show you today is a product called K480, the Bluetooth keyboard of Logitech. Logitech is famous for its computer peripherals. This product is said to provide a convenient typing transition between computers, cell phones, and tablets. It supports Windows, Mac, and many other operating systems. Multi-device. Logitech. Oh, fuck. There are so many letters. Multi-device. Yeah. Let's open it now. Let's take off the vinyl. Let's take a look at this for a moment. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Arrow buttons. It's smooth and clean. Let's give him a massage. There's a place on this side that puts batteries in. This time, let's connect to my Galaxy S10 and see if it works well on KakaoTalk. He's going to help us with the experiment. It works fine. I'm going to finish the video now.